Hey everyone. So we're still dealing with some issues with Facebook, but we do have some messages coming in on the underexposed marketplace listing. Also gone ahead and run a test with a friend on a different account, not creating a marketplace listing, but just posting the photos and descriptions directly into groups. And they're having about twice as much success as I'm having at the moment. Still no one placed, which is good. Gave me time to go ahead and repaint the vacant room this week, which I didn't hate. It's honestly kind of enjoyable. And that's where we're at the moment. Nice day. Stopped at a cafe, got some work done. Honestly, not too much to say this week. Sometimes real estate's a waiting game. I can go into more detail about other things in the future. Wasn't really considering talking about home renovations and do-it-yourself handyman work and that sort of thing on this channel, but certainly can save a lot of money, especially if you're a small operation, which I still am at this point with 2 properties. I can do a lot of the yard work and the handyman stuff myself. And, if I can't solve things like putting tenants in rooms in a scalable way, then it's going to stay a small operation. So we'll continue to work on trying to solve this bottleneck and see how this journey goes. See you soon.